This is a 2008 Infiniti G35X. It's the 3.5 liter V6 with the twin intakes. It revs to 76 or 7800 RPM. And it has the 5-speed transmission. I wanted to make this video because I couldn't find one out there that explained how to tighten the bolts that hold the transmission filter in. There's like 10 of them that are all various lengths, and you don't really have to keep track of them because as you put them in, you'll see that some stick out further than others, and you'll just be able to figure out which one goes in which hole. But there's 3 that are studs coming through the top of the valve body, and they hang out through the bottom of the filter. So a very easy way to get those on is use a flat blade screwdriver to push the stud to the side and get the nut started, and just kind of flick the nut on with your finger until it exposes some of the stud on the other side of the nut. Then you push that side of the stud to the side with a flat screwdriver and use an open-end wrench to tighten the nut down. Once it's relatively tightened down, it holds well enough that you can get a torque wrench on it and tighten it to 6 or 7 foot-pounds. I just wanted to make this video because nobody really explained that. I saw a couple where they say, watch out, a couple of these are studs and you don't want to push these through because you lose them on the other side of the valve body, and they don't show how they tighten them. I was covered in transmission fluid, so I didn't really have a chance to show exactly how I did it either, so I at least wanted to explain it and add a nice little video of what the inside of the transmission looks like on this car. And of course in this video too, it shows that it's at 150,000 miles. It was grandma driven and garage kept from when I bought it. I bought it when her warranty was up. It was 8 years old, and now it's 2023, June, and the thing was just spotless clean. When I drained the pan out, I tipped it up, and as the transmission fluid ran out of it, it left like if you wax a car and you spray water on it and the water beads up, and in between the water you can wipe your finger on the car and it's dry and clean. That's kind of how the bottom of the pan was. It was unbelievable, and there's nothing on the magnets. So I bought it at 86,000 miles, and I did a pan drain and refill on it since then, and now I just completely took the pan off, changed the filter, changed the pan gasket, and refilled it with the transmission fluid and the John Deere Trans hydraulic fluid. In the video I mixed them 50-50. It was a thing I heard from some guy that, you know, may or may not be a good thing to do. So it seems to be working fine. I thought, whatever, I'll do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.